Richard Edgar Damon. I don't know my age, but a few things I do know about myself is that, one, I'm half angel, half demon. Half angel on my mother's side, she's an archangel. I'm half demon on my father's side. He's Mephistopheles, as I've probably already previously stated. As I said before, I can turn into a dragon, and imp, which is basically a scaled down version of my full demon form. I can also go angel, but not full. Well, I can't, all if I choose to. As I told you people, the dragon, my older sister, Ashes Frost, she's adopted. She's, more of a pure blood demon. Probably my father sheds a little more affection on her. Not that I care anyways. Probably the last time when I sold my soul. Or one of them, actually. I try to live up to my father's expectations. Although that's my sister says anyways. But honestly, I find it a bit hard. I'm trying to live up to expectations that she's set up. Like, sure, I like I'm a little more powerful than her, but whatever, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, what I would do for that sort of stuff. Anyways, like I said before, I can do dark magic, light magic. I can do spells, cast pentagrams, devil's traps, holy circles. I'm resistant to holy water, I'm resistant to both types of weapons because if you cast a weapon meant for a demon, my angel half will cancel that out. Cast a weapon for an angel, my demon half will cancel that out. It's kind of a combo, but I'm only partially resistant. Still hurts though. Kinda sucks. But oh well. Someone once asked me what I would do if I have 3 wishes. I said I'd meet my mother because I can't remember. I can reset myself, but the one memory I cannot recall is my mother. There's that, just meet my mother, hug my mother. And 3, I still have my brother's soul. I want it out. So I can just, I don't know if I want it out or just want to keep it because I don't know how to explain it. You wouldn't understand. None of the humans would understand. I don't even know if my sister would understand. She already sold her soul, so she doesn't have a soul. I still do. With that in mind, this has been